Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install the PPCine app on your Android TV. This application is a fantastic choice for a movie lover who want to access a massive library of content right on their television screen. Today, I am going to walk you through the easiest way to get this set up so you can start watching your favorite shows in just a few minutes. First, we need to prepare your Android TV to allow the installation of third-party apps. Go to your home screen and navigate to the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Device Preferences and then select the About section. Find the build number at the bottom of the list and press the center button on your remote 7 times until you see a message saying you are now a developer. Now go back one screen and look for Security and Restriction menu. Click on Unknown Sources and find the downloader app in the list. Make sure the switch is turned on so the app has permission to install new files. If you do not have the downloader app yet, you can easily find it for free using the Google Play Store. Next, open the downloader app from your home screen. In the main search box, you are going to type the name of the app to find the latest version. Once you hit the Go button, the system will automatically find the file and begin the download process. It only takes a few seconds